Hi, my name is Vincent Belmonte. I'm the General Manager of Epic Auto Center. We're located at 2617 Roland Road, Raleigh, North Carolina. Conveniently located just a few minutes off Capitol Boulevard and just off of Gresham's Lake Road and Litchford Road. We service all makes and models, everything from a Kia Soul to a BMW 7 Series, from a Hummer H2 to a Subaru WRX STI, and everything in between. We do brakes, oil changes, all the way up to a major engine service if that's what you need. Our phone number is 919-876-3533, and you can find us online at epicautocenter.com. We have appointments available today.